how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Arya Classes. Now I am going to teach you the next step of tense, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. First of all, we would like to know the identification of past continuous tense. First step, identification. Identification. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to show an action of a past time that was carry on in past. So we would like to know about Hindi meaning of this identification. Past continuous tense is used. Past continuous tense का प्रयोग किया जाता है to show an action of past time. भूतकाल के एक ऐसे कार्य को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है that was carry on in past, जो कि भूतकाल में जारी था. एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, राम was playing cricket in the ground. Understand the first example of this tense. Ram was playing cricket in the ground. राम मैदान में क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. तो जो उसका मेन टास्क है वो है प्लेइंग, खेलना. क्या खेल रहा था? क्रिकेट. ठीक है, ग्राउंड में क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. तो पास्ट की ओर इंडिकेट कर रहा है. उसमें कार्य जो है कंटिन्यूअस का अर्थ होता है निरंतर जारी रहना, क्रियाशील रहना. तो इसमें जो टास्क है वो है क्रिकेट खेलने का. वो कंटिन्यूअस है, जारी है, कैरी ऑन है. जैसे कि राम वॉज प्लेइंग, राम खेल रहा था. उसका काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. वह टास्क है जो कैरी ऑन है, जारी है. क्रिकेट इन द ग्राउंड अर्थात मैदान में क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. सेकंड एग्जांपल, आदित्य was buying a magazine. आदित्य was buying a magazine. आदित्य क्या टास्क कर रहा था? बाइंग मतलब खरीदने का टास्क कर रहा था. क्या खरीद रहा था? ए मैगजीन. तो उसका कार्य जो जारी था क्या करने का? खरीदने का. अर्थात वो पत्रिका खरीद रहा था. तो हिज टास्क वाज कैरी ऑन. So this is identification of this tense, and these are two examples of this tense. We can take now next step of this tense, that is helping verb. There are two helping verb of this tense. First was and second were. Was is used for singular noun only and were is used for plural noun only. Second step, helping verb. First was, second were. Was is used for singular, for singular only, for plural only. only, plural, you, we, they, boys, girls, etc. Singular, he, she, it, name also. Yeah, we can take now etc also. So this is helping of this tense was and were. Next step of this tense, that is main verb. Present participle form of verb is used in this tense, and otherwise we can say first form plus ing also. Third step, main verb. Main verb, that is present participle form of verb, otherwise we can say first form plus ing before also in second pattern. Present participle, present participle form of verb. Verb, otherwise we can say o first form plus ing, first form plus ing o. In third pattern we can say v fourth also. So three step of this tense. According to grammatical pattern, we call it a present participle form of verb, and otherwise we can say first form plus ing, and third, according to third pattern we can say fourth form also. So this is main verb of this tense. Next step, that is structure of this tense. Fourth step, structure. Here we can say formula. Formula, affirmative. For affirmative sentence, subject plus was were plus before plus object. This is affirmative structure of this tense. Next structure, negative sentence. For negative sentence, subject plus was, were plus not plus before plus object. This is negative structure of this tense. Next structure, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, that is third structure. Interrogative sentence, was were plus subject plus before plus object question mark also. This is third structure of this tense. Fourth structure, that is interrogative plus negative. Was were, first was were, then subject, then note, then before plus object question mark also. So these are four structures of this tense. Now we can take some examples also at one by one, like affirmative, next negative, third interrogative, fourth interrogative plus negative. First example, for affirmative sentence, Reena was buying a ticket to see the zoo. Understand the Hindi meaning of this sentence. Reena was buying a ticket to see the zoo. रीना चिड़ियाघर देखने के लिए एक टिकट खरीद रही थी। नेगेटिव एग्जाम्पल, नितिन was making, sorry, not we add here note and third place of third. Nitin was not making a noise. Nitin was not making a noise. नितिन शोर नहीं कर रहा था. This is negative sentence of this tense. Third interrogative sentence, was Seema watching the television? Question mark also. Was Seema watching the television? क्या सीमा टेलीविजन देख रही थी? दिस इज इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ दिस टेंस. फोर्थ सेंटेंस, दैट इज इंटरोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव. दिस इज फर्स्ट, दिस इज सेकंड, दिस इज थर्ड, दिस इज फोर्थ. इंटरोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव. वा they not running in the ground? Were they not running in the ground? क्या वे मैदान में नहीं दौड़ रहे थे? So this is fourth example of this tense, that is interrogative plus negative. So how did you feel to take class for today? Please tell me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Arya Classes. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.